Docs Gang, what are we doing? Oh wow, what? That is not how I start my videos. Docs Gang, how are we doing? I hope y'all are good. Is my microphone plugged in? Yes, it is. Okay, guys, we're gonna make a Southside type beat. We're not gonna make any constraints on it. I'm gonna use whatever I want, do whatever I want. You know, let's look for a sample. Let's make this interesting. Let's do a sample Southside type beat. Why not? Let's make this interesting. I'm gonna search the interwebs for a nice sample. I don't really know what sample I want, but we'll find something. But yeah, I'm not gonna take too long with this. Don't forget, join my Discord, okay? I'm going to be doing live beat critiques a lot more now because I just want to, you know? I don't be doing them often, so I'm gonna try and do them more. Might even do one tonight, who knows? But yeah, make sure you join the Discord for that. Don't forget to like the video, okay? It helps me out a lot. Don't forget to comment on videos I should do in the future. And last but not least, subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications. I'm gonna need you to do that, all right? Because I know you're not subscribed, okay? So just come on, subscribe to the channel, come on. All right, let's go on Google Chrome here, hit up YouTube real quick, and trap beat samples. Let's see if that will return any results. Ah, okay, 2019 samples for trap beats. Sorry. Ooh. No, I mess with that. I mess with that. Yo, we're getting this. We're using this. This is fire. Hold up. All right, all right, here it is. This one. This is so fire. All right, let's open this up in Edison, okay? And we're gonna mess around with this. That's perfect. All right, now we're gonna reopen this in Edison. Now we're gonna look for the pitch regions so I can get the notes in it. So it seems like it's just G sharp and D sharp and C sharp. All right, that's awesome. Now let's open up Omnisphere and find us a counter melody, shall we? Where's Omnisphere? There it is. I'm going to the drums. I don't think I need to worry about the counter melody too much. Let's go to the drums. Let's get these 808s going. Oh yes, let's go. Yeah, we need to boost that. I can barely hear the 808s. Okay, these need to turn all the way up. All right, now we need to add the kicks now. I'm about to just, I'm just laying these down. Just regular kicks. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang. And... okay, now we need to punch these kicks. All right, now we need the hi-hats now, okay? Yeah, these are some good ones. Get off loop points. Whoops, normalize these. Ooh, hold up. Wait. Yo, these loop points need to... You know what? I'm not even going to let it ruin my vibe. Let's just... Guys, you got your fire extinguisher ready? You got it? All right, good. Okay, because we're not done yet. You thought we were done? No. We're not done. Okay, we're still going. Hello, the hi-hats. Yeah, we gotta keep them like that. Okay, we gotta add some. This is a Southside type beat. Can't forget that. Let's work on these hi-hats now. All right. Let's... Okay, wait a minute. Southside knows these things. Oh my lord. I'm gonna do my little thing-a-ling. Oops. Forgot who I got this from, but it's a dope idea. What the hell? Are these cutting itself? No, don't do that. Alright, guys, I'm gonna keep looking. I mean, I really don't think we need, you know, let's just work on the drums. I'm just gonna add to the drums, maybe some perks, maybe some snares, you know what I'm saying, maybe even a clap, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I don't think I need a counter melody. I would love to add one, but it just sounds too good right now. Like, I don't want to add a counter melody. Counter melody would mess it up in my opinion, but let's just see what we can do with this drums. I'm gonna just maybe layer with a clap, see what that sounds like. Nah. And plus freaking loop point. You know, let's add some randomness. I want to randomize the panning real quick. Now we need the open hats now. Okay, let me see if I want to get a nice reverse. I love reverse open hats. So I kind of want to see what this would sound like reversed. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, guys, honestly, no, that beat's fine. I think it's fine. I don't want to add accountability because that's gonna just waste my time and mess it up. So yeah, I think the video's done there, man. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, you know what to do. Join the Discord, okay? First and foremost, leave a like. Follow me on all my social medias as well. I forgot to say that. Leave a like on the video. Comment on stuff I should do in the future. Don't forget to also subscribe to the channel because if you don't, like, come on now, what are you doing? You know I'm fire. Like, just subscribe. It's not hard. Just do it. All right. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on post notifications. And yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. And I forgot to arrange it. Whatever. I'll do it next time. We'll see you later. Peace.